Hello, I am Lauren, your hashtag partner. Welcome to our new video helping you save time and effort in planning parties and events. Using hashtags and ChatGPT for planning parties and events couldn't be easier. Tip 1. Brainstorming themes. First, let's brainstorm themes. When using ChatGPT, include hashtags like hashtag event themes or hashtag party ideas in your prompts to get creative and relevant suggestions. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, suggest some hashtag event themes for a summer party. Tip 2. Finding vendors. Next, you need to find vendors. Use hashtags like hashtag event vendors, hashtag caterers, or hashtag event decor in your prompts to get a list of potential vendors. Try asking ChatGPT, can you recommend some hashtag caterers in Oxfordshire for a wedding? You can upload additional context, interesting articles, or personal insights to make the outputs even more creative and personalised. Tip 3. Creating invitations. For invitations, include hashtags like hashtag invitation design or hashtag DIY invitations in your prompts to get design ideas and templates. Ask something like ChatGPT and show me some hashtag DIY invitations for a birthday party. Tip 4. Choosing a venue. Choosing a venue is crucial. Use hashtags like hashtag event venues or hashtag wedding venues to get suggestions for your needs and budget. Prompt example: ChatGPT, suggest some hashtag wedding venues in Oxford. Tip 5. Managing the budget. Managing your budget is key. Include hashtags like hashtag event budget or hashtag budget planning in your prompts to get tips and tools for staying on track. Ask ChatGPT, help me with hashtag budget planning for a corporate event. Tip 6. Setting up a schedule. Finally, set up your event schedule. Use hashtags like hashtag event schedule or hashtag event timeline to create a detailed plan and reminders. Try ChatGPT to create a unique hashtag event schedule for a one-day conference. Upload more personalized context for a more unique output. Let's quickly recap. Using the right hashtags with ChatGPT, you can brainstorm themes, find vendors, create invitations, and personalize the outputs to choose a venue, manage your budget, and set up an optimized schedule. And just like that, event planning is super easy with ChatGPT and the right hashtags for prompt engineering. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tips. We are committed to saving your most precious resource, your time. Happy planning. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with ChatGPT, and get creative with hashtags.